Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart lighting panels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Twinkly Squares Starter Kit app-controlled LED wall panels. While most light panels give you bursts of animated color, these square panels from Twinkly feel like pixel art canvases. Each panel sports 64 individual LEDs, 8x8. We tested a 6-pack, but you need at least 9 panels to create a square canvas big enough to do justice to some of the artwork in the app, and 12 or more would definitely be better. The Twinkly app works well and offers lots of stills and animations. You can also create your own by hand or from an image. Sadly, these panels are very expensive, and with too few, everything looks blobby. Setup was a pain. The control panel must plug into power via USB-C, but the supplied cable is not very long. We used a longer one of our own. There's decent smart home support, but only for simple on and off or color changing. You must open the Twinkly app to delve into the fun stuff. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Govee Glide wall lights. You get wonderfully colorful, bright, diffused light from these modular bars. They are fairly easy to fit, and they feel quite durable. Govee's app offers a wide range of colors, and you can apply them to individual segments of the bars. There are also some lovely animated scenes. I like the rainbow effect best, and a reactive mode that syncs to music. The app lets you create your own scenes, but the process is confusing. There are plenty of pre-configured scenes to choose from. I generally use Google Assistant to turn the light bars on or off, and dip into the app to change colors or scenes. However, the lack of physical controls is disappointing. The light bars are also pricey, and the potential configurations are limited unless you buy multiple sets. The glide wall lights are translucent white plastic with visible seams between sections, so they don't look great when they're turned off. Finally, you're stuck with an unsightly power cable running down the wall that connects to a control box and then to the power adapter. We have a complete guide to Govee lighting if you want to learn more. At number 3, we have the Philips Hue White and Color Ambiance Gradient PC LED Lightstrip. If you want reactive, bright, and colorful lighting to accompany your gaming, the Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip for PC 8/10 wired recommends is swift and accurate at screen matching. This flexible, diffused light strip is easy to set up and slots into adhesive brackets that stick to the back of your monitor. Via the Hue Sync app on your desktop, the lights match up to the on-screen action, making games and movies more immersive. There are 4 intensity settings. The light strip also works as bias lighting to ease eye strain in a dark room, and there's a music mode. It comes in 2 sizes for 24 to 27 inch. Or 32 to 34-inch monitors. The smaller size puts out up to 800 lumens, and the larger goes up to 1000 lumens. Like the rest of the Hue range, this light strip is pricey, and you also need a Hue bridge, $46. So it's an easier sell if you already invested in Hue lights for your home. It works best with fast-paced games and movies, but sadly it won't sync with streaming services like Netflix. At number 2, we have the Govee AI Gaming Sync Box Kit. If a single light strip fails to sate your thirst for game-synced lighting, perhaps the Govee AI Gaming Sync Box 8/10 wired recommends will. It is comprised of an RGB strip divided into 4 sections to fit the edges of a monitor between 27 and 34 inches in size, 2 light towers, and an HDMI box capable of accurate color matching. Govee has also developed onboard AI, capable of recognizing in-game actions and directing a light show to match. This system offers immersive, vibrant, and highly customizable lighting, and you can pair additional Govee lights to enhance the effects. On the downside, it's expensive. It creates an extra tangled mess of cables, requires desk real estate, and only a handful of games like Apex Legends, Valorant, and Overwatch are fully supported. While this version does not support HDMI 2.1, a new version that we haven't tested yet will let you play in 4K at 120 HC. And finally, at number 1, we have the Govee RGBIC Alexa LED strip light. If you want an affordable LED light strip to install in a recess, behind furniture, or somewhere else that's hidden from view, this Govee strip is a solid bet. It's easy to install, and you can select colors by section in the Govee app and choose from a wide range of animated effects or make your own. This light strip can also sync to music, and it sports a handy physical control box with a power button, color cycle button, and a button for music syncing. I use Google Assistant to turn this strip on and off, and it works reliably well. Govee has a bewildering array of light strip models, each is slightly different. The cheapest option is a strip that handles only one color at a time and lacks a protective covering for the LEDs. We use a couple of them as underbed lighting. Some RGBIC strips have more LEDs and IC chips than others, which impacts how spread out color sections are and how smooth transitions appear to be. You'll want to do your research if you're buying a different model. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.